Hello everyone, welcome to Multibagger Stock Analysis. If you are watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel SHAREMARKETSEATOSEE to get our regular updates. Apologies for short time, I haven't uploaded any videos due to personal commitments. In this video, we are going to analyze two stocks which having a potential to have a good way forward and have a good returns. Let's see the stocks in the video. Let's get in. So the first stock, which is a small cap stock, which having a 7,000 crores of order book. This company is in partnering with the IndiGrid to develop two greenfield interstate transmission system. Let's see what is the stock. The stock name is Techno Electric and Engineering Company Ltd. So this is a company which they are providing a service of engineering, procurement and construction, which is a EPC company, and asset ownership and operations maintenance service in the power infrastructure industry. The company's market cap is around 19,158 crores, having a good dividend as well as, which they are paying around 23.6% of dividend payout. So the Techno Electric chairperson, who is Mr. Padam Prakash Gupta, he said that the company is going to integrate with IndiGrid in advancing India's transmission story. So the partnerships represents they are going to have a good transformation of energy landscape in India. So which we mentioned that they are going to develop two greenfield interstate transmission system. So the company current unexecuted order itself, it's having 9,200 crores, including their L1 orders. That is very notable one. So expecting a revenue of 5,000 crores this year with the current pending orders. The company is targeting to have a revenue of 2,500 crores of the current year and 3,500 crore for the next year, which is the company is having a good fundamental to grow way forward. As I mentioned, the company reported also a great amazing quarterly numbers and annual results. The stock's 52-week high is 1,777 and 52-week low is 466. So this stock have given almost like a 245% return in 1 year, where the BSE index we have seen 22%. So the stock traded last price is 1647, which is almost like a 10% away from its all-time high. The PE ratio of the stock is at 53.45, which is bit higher than the sector PE, which is the sector PE is 42. So the stock is also currently in a book entry, so one have to be very careful till it comes out of the book entry. So the investors who are looking for a long term can be keep this stock in the watch list. It is one of the best infrastructure civil construction stock to be watched carefully. So one can consider of entry when it is coming to the range of 1,300 to 400. Still it is very high currently, so and also in book entry, so you can keep in your watch for this stock will be give a good returns in the future. So the second stock which we are going to see, which is trading less than 1 rupees, and it is going to be a share of multi-bagger stock. The stock is outperforming by Suzlon 86%. And it's the very key notable thing is it is trading at the low PE. The stock is none other than Monotype India Limited. So this stock may be less familiar to many of the trading peoples. The company is mainly dealing with investment and trading activities in India, like mutual funds or the share investors. So it offers the products like a share securities as mentioned, so debentures and other investments. The company is a subsidiary of Swakatham Tradivin Limited. So the company is having a good potential to way forward. They are having a good technical team with current market analysis experts to way forward. So the company is almost given a good multi-bagger return of 380% return. So it is a very micro cap stock, and the stock is trading currently nearing to its high. So anytime it can break its 52-week high. So the stock, we can say the low is 52-week low is 0.20 and high is 1.12. So one, if considering for the long term of a multi-bagger stock, the stock is a good choice where it's having a debt free, and the stock is also considerably moving forward, and if they handle a good way of profits in the future, the stock have possibilities of going beyond 3 rupees or 4 rupees. Who is very actively looking for a penny stocks, this stock can be considered for keeping in their watch list. So I hope these two stocks will be beneficial for you to understand about the small cap and multibagger and penny stock multibagger stock. So if you are interested, and you can show your comments or you can post your comments, please always be vigilant while you are doing investments. The market is nearing to almost all-time high, so please always do safe investment and trading. Thank you. Stay safe, investor.